My name is Miss Selma and welcome to the session. What you're learning here today is how to convert text into table. Of course, there are various ways to insert table, which most of you know. But what we are focusing here today is how to convert text into table. So now let's come to our Word documents. Then I open it. There have been ways for you to insert table. You can come on your insert tab and your table, you click on the drop down arrow. Before now, these are ways for you to insert a table. You can either slide and select through this grid of cells. As all know, tables are made up of rows and columns. So based on the number of rows and columns you want, you can click it. Then you have your table here. Then this is not our focus. Let me undo it. There is other way also. You can come under insert tab again, table, click on the drop down. Then you can draw your table as well. You can draw your table based on the number of rows you want and column. Let me say I just want 3 rows and 2 columns. Here it is, but this is not our focus here also. Let me undo it. What our focus here is how to convert text into a table. Let's go again to our insert tab, then drop down. For now, this is what we are coming to do, convert text to table, but it is dim because we are yet to fulfill the criteria that will enable us to convert the text to table. So what we are coming to do is to type our text, thereafter we can convert it into a table. So now let's say school is going to resume and you want to write the items you're going to buy for your children when school resume. So now let's say number. You separate it with a comma. You can either use a full stop to do it, but we are using comma here. Eh? So then you write item, then you say items, then you say description of the item you're going to buy. Description is a comma. Then you say what's the cost of it, the cost of the item you're going to buy, or you say you can either use amount or cost. I'm using cost here. There is a comma. Then the quantity. How many are you going to buy? Quantity. Quantity. There you say comma. Then you say total. Total. Then go down. Strike your enter key. Go down. Then number. Let me say number 1. Separate it also with a comma. Then the item you want to buy. Number 1 item you want to buy is book. So say books. Comma. The description. What type of book do you want to buy? So let's say you want to buy exercise book. They say exercise book. Exercise book. Then you say comma. Then what's the cost of one packet exercise book? Because maybe you're going to buy it in packets. So let's just assume one packet costs 70 leon. They say 70. They say comma. Then the quantity. How many do you want to buy? Let's say you want to buy 3. Then you say 3. Then you say comma. Then the total. So now you are multiplying the 70 by the 3. Since each packet costs 70 and you are buying 3, 70 by 3 is 210,000. So now go strike the enter key again to go to the next item. Say number 2, say commas. Don't forget to separate them with a comma, comma. Then what's the next item you want to buy? Shoes. You want to buy shoes, comma. Then what's the description of the shoes? What type of shoes do you want to buy? Maybe you want to buy black shoes. Say black shoes. Black shoes. Black shoes. What's the cost of one pair of black shoe? Let's say 150. 150. Then you say comma. Quantity, how many do you want to buy? 3. You have 3 children, so let's say 3, comma, the total now. Then 150 by 3 is 450. So you say 450. Press the enter key and go to the next. Then number 3, comma. Don't forget to separate them with a comma. The next item you want to buy is bag. You want to buy bag. So bag, then you separate it with a comma. What type of bag do you want to buy? Gold, leather bag. Maybe the color of the bag is gold and it's a leather bag. So you can say gold, leather bag, leather bag. You want to buy gold leather bag, that's the description. One cost family, there's a 200, c'est commun. Then you are buying it for, what's the quantity? 3. You have 3 children, c'est commun. So the total for it all, 200 by 3 is 600. So let's go to the next. Like the enter key. Let's make one more. Number 4. Then you separate the comma. What other thing do you want to buy? Uniform. Say uniform. Uniform. Say comma. Uniform. The color, you can say maybe it's blue, and maybe they are wearing blue top and black down. So you can describe it, or maybe it's a chiffon or any material. So you can just describe it. So let's say you want to buy, the color of the uniform is blue, blue, blue and black, blue and black. So then what the cost? The cost for it is, let me say, 100, and the quantity you are buying is 3. So you have 3 children. Total is 300. So then, after you have done typing the text, the next is to highlight it, highlight it, highlight it. Sorry, it's 3,000 here. A mistake. It's not 3,000, it's 300. So then highlight it. You go here to the table. Now you see convert text to table has been bright. So click on it. Then you say okay, because the command here has already been activated. Let's assume you use the full stop. You should have indicated it here, order, and put the sign, which is full stop. But we use command and it has already been selected. So just say okay. And here we go. Our text has been converted into a table. So here is the table. So you can now do some formatting to it. You can now highlight the heading, bold it. You can also increase the font size. Yeah. So let's say you also want to add another row. Maybe you want to give it a heading. You can just come here, right click, and say insert. Insert row above. You can also come and give it heading. So you see, another row has been inserted. So you can also merge this one. You can merge the cells here because the heading is going to be just one. It's not going to be in a row and a column. So you can merge it for it to combine all the cells. So you can say merge cells. So it has been merged. You see, it has been merged. So now you can now simply type your heading you want. Select a list of items to be bought for my children. So you can also align it, highlight it, and censor it. So you can also increase the fonts. So that's it. So you see, we have converted our text into table. We have inserted another row. We have also merged those cells because we want to have it, give it a heading as I've done. So we merge the cells to combine all the cells together, to merge them together. So you can also delete or add another one. Let's say you want to delete number 3. Just click there, right click, then you say delete cells. So if you ask you, say delete entire row because you want to delete entire number 3, you want to delete the bag number 3. Maybe you don't want it anymore. Maybe either someone has given it to you or you already have it before and you don't want to buy it any longer. So you can just delete it. So you see, it has been deleted. You can add or you can delete. So whatever thing you want to do to your table, you can do it. So this is just how to add. If you want to undo it also, just undo it. If you want to maintain the previous list you have prepared, undo it, you can Control Z to undo it. So I have my number 3 again, which is bag. I want to buy bag. So you can either give this list to someone that you are sending to go and buy for you these things, or you just want to know what are the things you want to buy when school is in for your children. You can add something here also if you want to click, and you can insert go below, because you want to give it, you can merge it also. Right click, it has been merged. You want to give it the total of this one, or what is it going to cost you all for these items. So you add it all. So let's come and do calculation. This and this is 1 million, 1 million 260, 1 million 360. So it's all cost 1 million 360, 1 million 360. So you can highlight it, just highlight it. Then you can put it here at the right. Then you can also bold it. Then you can increase also the size of it. So this is it. So you know the total of all the items you want to buy is this amount. So this is just how to insert our text into a table, and you can do some formatting. You can add, you can delete, you can do anything you want to do. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.